We support Regina Illawarra.
I support Regina.
I support Regina. I support Regina.
I support Regina.
I support Regina.
I support Mum Regina.
I support Regina.
Hello, my name is Regina McCarthy. I am a Territory Alliance candidate for the Daly electorate, and I'm meeting with the people in the community here of Belyuen and talking about their issues and concerns. They're talking about the social issues between the groups of people and the problems they're having, also the alcohol issue as well, and lack of jobs, opportunities for children. Territory Alliance is about grassroots solutions, problem solving solutions and good governance. So what we want to do is be able to work with the community to be able to work through these issues and to move them in the right direction.
That one.
Regina.